A bill heading to Governor J.B. Pritzker's desk could make Illinois the first state to issue vaccine recommendations independent of the CDC. As WAND's Mike Militich explains, sponsors believe the state should ensure health care is available regardless of any decisions made by the federal government.
The Illinois Department of Public Health currently has an advisory committee responsible for reviewing vaccines. But this plan could expand its authority and allow the agency to issue evidence-based recommendations on vaccines and treatments during disease outbreaks and public health emergencies. Sponsors say they want to protect public health and uphold science-based care as the Trump administration dismantles the country's healthcare system.
That section also is going to give us the opportunity to make sure there's insurance coverage. So we've heard, all of us, I believe, we've heard from our constituents about the lack of certainty about whether or not their vaccination and other health care is going to be covered by insurance. This clarifies that.
The plan also states the department would follow vaccine guidance from the World Health Organization if the Food and Drug Administration does not approve the treatment. Republicans strongly oppose this idea as they argue it is solely to push back against President Trump.
We are pro-vaccination, but this bill makes sure that we can't vote for it, because we have a bill that's signaling to their base how much they're battling the evil Trump administration.
Representative Bill Howder, an emergency room doctor, says he is still upset IDPH was able to mandate people receive COVID-19 vaccines during the pandemic. Howder says the Pritzker administration used authoritarian and coercive tactics that made people lose their jobs and livelihoods. Yet Democrats say lawmakers should do everything in their power to keep people healthy.
The problem here is that we have created a situation where the federal government is standing in the way of good health care for 13 million people in the state of Illinois, and we are not going to stand for that.
This plan passed out of the House and Senate along partisan lines. Reporting in Springfield, Mike Militich, WAND News.
The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services says Democrat-led states that imposed unscientific school closures, mask mandates, and vaccine passports are the ones who destroyed public trust in health.